In July 2025, a group gathered in Berwick-Upon-Tweed for a 3-day creative ecology workshop. Structured around the theme of sensing connection, this workshop offered the opportunity to explore how we can cultivate ecological awareness through mindful movement and contemplative writing. The group played with different creative explorations, working with breathing, witnessing, movement and stillness, followed by reflecting, responding, and creating through words and images. Through this embodied play, we discovered how slowing down and bringing awareness to sensory experiences can help us find new ways of connecting to ourselves, others, and the world.